How to fix Bluetooth cutting on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on Bluetooth. After click on Bluetooth, so clear Bluetooth app data. After clear Bluetooth data, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end. Click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth cutting on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.